everybody, Jessica Ventigli here with Truck Smart Isuzu located in Mars Hill, Pennsylvania. Today we have here an Isuzu 2024 NRR with a 6-bay side loader beverage body made by Mickey. The truck comes standard with a 5.2-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine. And on the inside it comes standard with power windows, locks, air conditioning, cruise control. We also have the optional 7-inch monitor, complete with a backup camera. Again, we have a 6-bay side loader Mickey beverage body, complete with a wheelhouse step bar that allows you to get easier access to your products. It's an all aluminum, one-piece Uni-Body system. It has a central padlock device over here on this side that allows you to simply lock with one lock all of the doors at once, so you don't have to fumble around with all the other locks for the individual bay doors. And if you notice, it's a one-piece aluminum skin with easy roll-up. They have the shelving on the inside. Each shelf is a maximum of 2,200 pounds. Convenient for all of your beverages. If we also take a step around the back, we have a heavy-duty bumper, and we also have space for the 2 hand carts that will help move your beverages all around. Again, this does come with a backup camera, so you'll be sure not to back into anybody. This truck weighs, the GVW is 19.5, and the truck only weighs 8,920 pounds. And with the all-aluminum body, that gives you approximately 10,580 pounds for payload, which is a lot of drinks. We have more of these beverage bodies in stock, so we can definitely build another one, because we did build this here at Truck Smart. We had 2 more beverage bodies in stock. You can put it on the chassis of your choice. If you have any questions, we do offer financing as well. We do ship across the entire United States, so if you're in California, not a problem. I can still get this truck to you on a flatbed. If you have any questions, again, my name is Jessica Ventigli, Truck Smart Isuzu. I can be reached at 267-394-3223, or my email is at jess@trucksmartsales.com.